54% of businesses have at least one cybersecurity attack per year. What's more, a single attack, undefended attack, can result in a data breach, which on average can result in a loss of, on average, $4.35 million.
Next Pitch is a new innovative platform that allows young entrepreneurs to pitch problems that they care about.
Our solution is split up into three distinct.
The internet is a dangerous place, and cybersecurity is vital. Without the safety of its users' data and the company's data, there is always a chance that a business or an online company could in some way be vulnerable in cybersecurity. Oh my God. Furthermore, Next Pitch's site is not optimized completely, and the user interface, and that needs to be fixed because sometimes it can be frustrating to deal with.
Yeah, by creating a better user experience, we can have the user become more engaged, and this can attract more users and keep users coming back. Our solution is split up into three distinct pieces. The first is cybersecurity, as in taking steps to ensure the website is secure. Secondly, there are things that can be done to improve the user experience, as I mentioned before. It can be help attract new customers and keep old ones coming back. Lastly, to ensure the continual upkeep of the website, it would be optimal to train and manage a group of high school K-12 interns. There are always steps a website can take to achieve better cybersecurity. And these my group's recommendations for Next Pitch as a potential issues to check for. First of all, session tokens and request URIs. When you go to a website, your browser makes requests to the server. And in that request, there's a chance that a session token, which is what you use to log in, might be present in that URI. That can be dangerous to the website because if you're on public Wi-Fi, it can be intercepted, and somebody else can easily log into you. Next is setting HTTP only on all tokens, which is basically tokens is another word for cookies. But if you set HTTP only onto all cookies, they'll prevent more cross-site scripting attacks. Thirdly, if you ensure all correct X-frames, basically border options, which is how the website is constructed, you can prevent something called clickjacking, which in a clickjacking attack, a mock website would be created that would look identical to the original website. And clicks and interactions in this mock website would still be the same as the ones in the original website, so that could allow for fraudery and other things like that. By ensuring TLS secure on all cookies, you can also prevent more cross-site scripting attacks.
In order to solve Next Pitch's three major user interface problems, you would need to change a few things. Three major interface things are there's some missing videos, they have a calendar that's unclear, and the nav bar thing at top where you click to go to different pages sometimes goes to the wrong page. So in order to fix that, for the videos, you'd have to update all the files so that it can still run and that it doesn't show up like an error. You would have to redirect the links in the nav bar because two of them are going to the wrong places, so you'd have to redirect it so that it goes to the right place. And then it'd be best to add a UI to the calendar so that it's easier to see and it's not just long written paragraphs.
Furthermore, we also have this website is built using Wix and is also it has a lot of custom code added. So this would be changed via the Velo backend. Now onto our third part of our solution. Security upkeep of any website is essential to any website. So as new threats release every day, the best way to solve this is to create a small group of people that will monitor new threats and solve them as needed. There are many benefits to having a group of high school interns that are trained in cybersecurity, and this can increase user trust. Our solution would be split up into 3 stages. The first stage would involve advertising the job, and then you would evaluate evaluate applications, and then you'd select new interns based on passion, diversity, and other things like that. Stage 2 would involve training them on basic cybersecurity concepts and mainly on ethics too, which is very important to cybersecurity. And then after that, in stage 3, we would have new meetings every once in a while to reevaluate policies to make sure they're up to date with new threats.
All of these propositions would cost money. The site improvements could cost anywhere between $50 and $300 or maybe more dollars to do, and the K through 12 would be much more expensive, about $750. Well, and then you have to keep on paying because you have to pay the cybersecurity professionals to
Train the interns.
train the interns and supervise what they're doing. So it will just use more money, but $750 should get started.
All right, and that's it.